Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to have a little history lesson. Yes, that's right, we're going back in time. As much as I have enjoyed making this video, I myself have felt somewhat like an archaeologist since I have really had to do a lot of research and dig deep into a lot of trademark archives when I was researching about this video. So let's go and have a deep dive into the history of trademarks. Trademarks, as they are known today, were not really wide recognized since ancient times or since history. It's only now from the 18th, 19th, and 20th century onwards that people have started to recognize their importance. Earlier, there were no trademark offices or laws that were protecting intellectual property and brands, and there was nothing like this which had actually come into force. So let's understand and take a journey as to how trademarks have evolved into the famous brands that we know of them as today. In the ancient times, trademarks were not always existing, or nobody even knew that there was something known as a trademark. There were just signs and symbols that artisans used to use when they used to create objects of craft or make pieces of art. The earliest dated trademark or branding, as we can see, and we call it in modern times, can be seen from that in China. In China, in 5000 BC, artisans used to put a date on the vase that they were created. They used to put a date and a sign of the emperor that was in rule at the time. So that mark served as an identifier that the vase was made during the rule of that particular Chinese emperor. In Greece also this practice was used, especially when we see common objects such as artworks, vases, and other such jewelry. There used to be a particular mark, a sign and symbol that denoted who made the artwork or jewelry or who was the ruler at that time. During the Industrial Revolution is when people really started to invent machinery. Production became rampant as well as cheaper. As we saw in the ancient times, artisans and craftsmen used to painstakingly create products and works of art. This wasn't the case in the 18th, 19th century when machines slowly started taking over manpower. Now, what happened due to this situation was that a few brands became prominent in that era. A few companies became prominent. People started to imitate each other's products, and a need arose in order to create a differentiating factor for both the products. This is when trademarks really started to catch the eye of people, and people understood the importance of branding. Many well-known trademarks were filed in the 1800s. Let's have a look at some of these trademarks. Did you know famous trademarks such as Coca-Cola, Heinz, and the famous stationery company Stabilo all were filed during the 1800s? The oldest trademark in the United Kingdom is also the Base Brewery's logo, the famous logo that we can see with a red triangle. In New York, one of the earliest American trademark is also known as the Avril Chemical Paint Company. This was the first recorded trademark to be filed in the United States. So as we've seen in conclusion, trademarks have always been an important and integral part of trade and commerce. They were equally important in the ancient times, during the Middle Ages, during the part of the Industrial Revolution, and they are equally important in modern times. The importance of trademarks is ever growing and only aid us in establishing healthy competition and securing the rights of manufacturers and helping them protect and secure their brand. For more such informative videos on intellectual property, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.